pigs have been tilling the garden area for just over 48 hours now, so let's go check to see what it looks like. Piggy piggies. Check this out. I'd say they did a pretty good job. We have a lot of stemmy stuff still going on in here, but that should be pretty easy for me to get out by hand, at least those bigger pieces anyway. Otherwise, they have completely turned over all of this soil. When we put them in here 2 days ago, it looked like this. So you can see that's quite a difference in such a short amount of time. It would have taken me a lot of work to do this, what they just did. They did it because they love to do it, and in the end, I get bacon. They did break my door on my greenhouse though. So next steps for this area is we're gonna move the pigs out, and then we need to bring in wood chips in because we can't just leave the soil exposed like this. We need to cover that soil up. We moved the pigs into this area, which is where my American guinea hogs originally were when they first came to the property. That way they can get this area turned up of all the weeds too. Maybe we can turn this into some nice growing grass as well. Pigs are settling in quite nicely in their new pen. We had the water full, and now it's time to rake. With that all raked out and even, we're ready to go get some wood chips. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Well, that didn't get us very far. We got 1 truckload, which was 2 cubic yards of wood chips, and we only got, on this half of the paddock, about a third of it. So what I might do is just get 3 more, which should finish off this area. And then this area over here, I might just throw down some cover crop or some grass seed, something like that to cover. But all that will be for another day. Hi there. I've gotten several comments about training the pigs to the waterer here. A lot of viewers were saying, hey, just put some peanut butter on there. Hey, don't bite. I'm nipping at my gloves there. Put peanut butter on there or molasses, one person even said. And I happen to have neither. I thought I had some molasses, but I just checked and I don't. So I'm gonna use some knapweed honey from right here in the grass-fed homestead on there and see if that does the trick. Look at that, guys. Hey. Oops. Is that good? Nothing else that'll attract some bees. Piggy piggy. Hey, look, look. Look at that piggy piggy. Alright, so it turns out these pigs don't like honey. Who knew? We've seen throughout the day that the pigs have been kind of nipping and getting a little bit of the water out of there. So they are getting the concept regardless of the honey here. But yeah, we'll just keep them working on it and perhaps I'll get some peanut butter and give that a shot. A couple days after we got that first truckload of mulch in here, I went back, got another truckload. So this was 2 cubic yards in each truckload, 2 truckloads, so 4 cubic yards of mulch that I got here on the ground. I got all the way from the gate to the back fence and as far wide as the greenhouse. Ideally, I'd like to get at least 1 more truckload on this so I get the depth that I'm looking for here with the wood chips. But the problem is the place where I'm getting it from, they were very low when I got this last truckload, and they aren't getting any more for a while. I'm guessing it's because of the pandemic issue that the wood chips just aren't available. So this is just gonna have to do for now. But I just look at this, how it is now, and think back to how it was a few days ago, and this is so much better looking than it was. So next step is gonna be getting some plants in here. Hopefully I can find some starts. Oh, the dogs are getting excited about something. What is it, guys? Blue, anything? Nothing to report? False alarm. Anyway, next is gonna be getting some plants in the ground, so stay tuned because that's gonna be coming up here on the Grass-Fed Homestead.